This is a Handful Players production.
A monologue is a long speech that an actor delivers in a play or in a movie to help give the audience some more information as to how that character is feeling or what they are thinking in that moment.
Hi, hey everyone. My name is Miss B and this is Mr. Jourdán, and today we are going to be teaching you how you can write your own monologue at home. To give you some guidance, I'm going to help Mr. Jourdán write his monologue with these sentences. So we kind of created a skeleton for you all to follow so you can write your own monologue at home. I would suggest you have something to write with, like a pencil or a pen or a marker and a piece of paper, so you can write your monologue as Mr. Jourdán writes his. Are you ready? All right, let's get started. So Mr. Jourdán, the first thing we are going to do is we're going to try to think of a character. It could be any character in the world. It could be a cup. It doesn't even have to be a character that actually speaks. It could be something that you make up in your imagination, like a unicorn that shoots rainbows out of their eyes. It could be anything you want, all right? Try to pick something that is not already a character. For example, I wouldn't pick SpongeBob because SpongeBob already exists and has a life, and I want to make sure that I'm choosing a character that I'm creating myself. So now, Mr. Jourdán is going to think of his character, and you at home can think of your character too.
Got it.
Awesome, you got it? Okay, what is your character?
My character, his name is Sarsaparilla Osnard, and he's a troll in the land of Oxelton.
Oh, very descriptive. I love all of the details that you added for your character. So the first thing that you're gonna write is I am, and you can explain that character with all of those details right after that. So right here, you're gonna write I am, and then you're gonna write what your character is. And you can also describe what kinds of emotions your character is. For example, I'm an angry troll, or I'm a flying glittery butterfly. Whatever you want, you get to choose. The more details you have, the better. Are you ready to keep going? Awesome. So the next part is you're gonna think, where does your character live? Where is your character's habitat? Where is their home? All right? Maybe your character lives under a rock in a forest. Maybe your character lives in New York City. Maybe your character lives on planet Mars. It can be whatever you'd like. So far we have I am, and then what your character is. And then we have from, wherever it is that your character is from. Mr. Jourdán, where is your troll from?
He's from the land of Oxelton, and he lives under a big toadstool mushroom in the forest.
He lives under a big mushroom? Big mushroom in the forest. Awesome. The next thing we're going to write in our monologue is we're going to think about where this character is going. And again, you get to make all of this up on your own at home. I am on my way to blank. Where is your character going? Is your character going on a secret mission around the universe? Is your character going to school? Is your character going to their best friend's house? Maybe your character is going to another planet. You get to decide where your character goes and why they're going there. Anything that you think and imagine in your head, is perfect for writing down on your paper into your monologue. So right now, if you're at home, you should be writing down where your character is going. I am on my way to... If at any point in time you need more time writing and the video is continuing to go, you can always press pause and then press play again when you're ready. The next part of the monologue is thinking about what your character will do when they get to the place they are traveling to. So Mr. Jourdán, where is your troll going?
I am going to the Seaweed Festival at the bottom of the Pink Lemonade River.
Ooh, a seaweed festival at the bottom of a pink lemonade river. I love it. I love pink lemonade. I wish I had a river of pink lemonade around my house. So when your troll gets there, what are they going to do? When I get there, I will... What? What will your troll do when they reach their destination? Maybe there's someone that your character is meeting in this place. Maybe there's an item in this place that your character is really trying to find. It can be anything. Anything you'd like. Awesome, are you ready to keep going? Perfect. The next thing we're going to think about is what other people think of your character. How do other people view your character? What might that person say about your character and what they want? The paper says, some people think blank, but they don't know blank. So this is kind of like a misunderstanding that your character is experiencing. Maybe other people may think that your character is too silly and no one wants to take them seriously. But they don't know that your character is super silly because that's what makes them happy. And just because you're happy doesn't mean that people can't take you seriously. Maybe you want to write that some people think that pink lemonade rivers are horrible and we should not have any pink lemonade rivers. And your character may really love pink lemonade rivers and think that those rivers should be everywhere. So you get to decide, what is it that others do not understand about you? What is it that other people do not understand about your character? Ready to keep going? Great. The very last part of this monologue is going to give your character the opportunity to say who they are. The last sentence says, I am blank and I will be blank. How would your character describe themselves? And what does your character hope that they will become in the future? For example, maybe your character believes that they are hardworking, and in the future they hope to be a scientist or a lawyer. Maybe they want to be a secret agent spy. Whatever you'd like, you can add in here to show what your character would like to be in the future. All right? So once you follow this model for your monologue, you should have a pretty good story that describes your character's journey and some of the issues that your character may be grappling with. I would love for you at home to record yourself reading your monologue, and if you want to send it back to us, that would be super awesome. I can't wait to see all of the different stories that you all can make. Remember, this monologue skeleton can be used over and over and over again. You can write different stories about different characters as many times as you want. You can also add to the skeleton that we've given you. You can add details. You can talk about friends or family members that your character has. You can make it as detailed as you would like to. All right, you all did a great job today. Thank you so much for learning with us and watching Mr. Jourdán go through the process of writing his own monologue. You can watch him perform his monologue in the previous How Cool video. I'll see y'all again soon, and I hope that you look to Handful Players' website to get more video content for you to enjoy at home. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.